Hello guys, welcome back JavaTCoding. My name is Sanjay Kumar. Today we will talk about how we can install the IntelliJ IDEA community or ultimate version. So it is your requirement whether you want to install the community or ultimate version. So started, firstly go to the browser, search the Jetbrains IntelliJ download. So just go to the JetBrains, it's an .com, it's an official website. Download IntelliJ. So here we can see the IntelliJ IDEA ultimate version, and if we scroll down here we can see the community version. Community is free, so we can download this community version. We will use the community. If you want to use the other ultimate feature, then you have to pay something. So for now, for the 30 days the ultimate version is free, that you can try. If you like the ultimate version, then you can pay some amount and continue to get the license and use to buy the ultimate version. So I will, for free of cost, we will use the community version. So let's as my machine is M2 MacBook, so I'm going to download the DMG file. So if your machine is means supported to the Intel, or so then you can download that .dmg file in there. So my machine is supported with Apple Silicon .dmg file, and I will download this one. And thanks for downloading IntelliJ. It's let me allow. So it is downloading is started. It's completed successfully. Let me open this DMG file. We need to drag and drop, and we have already this file, so I will replace the existing one. And now it's copying the installation is copied successfully. Let me open this IntelliJ IDEA. Verifying the IntelliJ. Okay, let me click on the open. Now it's open. The installation is done. Welcome to the IntelliJ IDEA. So let me create the one sample project testing to show the, so it will print some numbers. Okay, so let me run this to verify whether our installation is successfully completed or not. It's a main class auto generated. Yeah, so now it's running. That means the IntelliJ installation is successfully completed. So by following these steps, we can install the IntelliJ IDE in your MacBook. So that's it from this video. If you like this video, please comment, like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.